With the pins in the dough, wasn't ready for the kid unless stacks up tough. When the shots fired hit, ooh, they knew I was trouble. Man down. Look at me, the last one standing. Gave the whole world a dose, and it wasn't a letter. You see the path that I chose, boy, I do not regret it. Took them one out my city, I ain't the one that said it. So I'll ask you.
Hell yeah.
Straight like that, straight like that.
Yeah.
No, I'm not from Brooklyn. No, I'm not from Chi-Town. Yeah, I'm from Seattle. World raising that we get it round. Tired of all these wannabes. Yeah, they call me family now, but they wish they get up on my level with this kind of clout. Yeah, there ain't no messing around. Yeah, there ain't no common ground.
Right in the crowd. Right in the crowd. Imagine I got something somebody said.
By my side, there was never obligation or loyalty. I was treated like royalty. Am I together, stronger than we be? Made of my wifey, I package deal. She got my.
Get these kids, y'all a true blue player, son, born and raised. Old school and Clark Parkers and 14K. The OGs remember me from back in the day.
Hey, me, I'm all about my fun. Hey, cash on the beat and the beat go dumb. Staying in the building, making people jump. Stay in my lane, so I drive in the dump. We win in this game. All my natives rock designer frames.
Stop, nigga, what you saying? I'm chillin' with the OGs, percolate. You do the math, we paper chain. No time, no blood, hang up. Stop, native, what's the deal? I'm on my own on the stove for the meal.
Hey, shout out to my brother Kathy one time. Hey, she's on this one singing, alright? Let's go. Let's go. I got that clock cooking, we was hungry. Sergeant Section 8, never living luxury. Grown from Seattle.
Yeah, shout out to the 90s era. Who's some OGs in the house right now? Yeah, yeah. My G, it's the OG party.
Hey, what up, what up, what up, what up?
After a while, you know what I'm saying? They're like, hey, you going to Coachella with us? You going to, you know what I'm saying?
Cheers, just smoke. Coming all the way from Canada. Happy birthday.